Next speaker, we have the real person on site. It's Sofia Gao, the founder and the CEO of Panda Dental. It's also an AI-driven, technology-driven company. And today she will share her own personal story behind the startup. Let's welcome Sofia.
Hello everyone, good evening. 大家晚上好. Very nice to see you here. I'm Sofia. Today I will share something about my experiences of founding Panda Dental, a dental care company, a startup company. So first I will start from myself. Okay, so next. So next. Okay, so first I will start for myself. I have been working for 15 years and in different five industries and 5 companies. Just like IT, Chinese industry, healthcare, consumer, Internet and IoT. And also I work in the domestic company and the global company, as well as the Internet unicorn company. So I worked across 4 functions, just like sales, BD, and HR. And now I take the overall management role. So that's myself. Okay, Panda Dental. So first I will give you a brief introduction about my company. Who we are. I set up Panda Dental in 2015. And in the first 3 years, we just focused on product R&D. As the pictures show, we have the product for example, the AI electronic toothbrush and the water pick, and some other oral care products. And in the first 3 years, we just only focused on R&D. So I just want to say more here about the products. So the AI, the electronic toothbrush is not the normal one, because when we use the wrong way to brush your teeth, the handle will vibrate and remind you to crack it. And it also can connect with your WeChat mini program and to generate the report. So the brushing analysis report. Yeah. And after that, in the 2019, we developed our products and integrate our products for the dental HMO. We support the dental clinics for the health management in China, just like the big clinical dental clinics in China. So from last year, sorry. So here's the no.
Do you want the video?
Yeah, here's the video. Can I play? I'm not sure if you can understand. As this new product from last year, we just focused on the dental insurance. We combined all the 2 parts from last year and developed a new product. We collaborate with the insurance company in China. It's quite new in China, but we have the same product in the US, you know. These are products to cover dental care. And this is our AI product.
提醒用户及时纠正刷牙习惯。同时，牙刷可通过蓝牙
Yes, it can give the users the correct brushing instruction while the WeChat mini
方面
program.
省时省心。用户可通过线上小程序预约牙科看诊服务，无需排队报到。
You can also connect with the dental clinics on the program.
真正做到省时省心。招商喜诺超等大白，从此守护美好生活。
Okay. So this is what we do now. Yeah. This is what we do now in the past 5 or 6 years. So for the financing, in the last year we closed 2 round financing. Thank you. In the first half of the year we closed 1 million financing, and the second half of the year we closed 17 million financing Chinese yuan. Okay. So we're still on the road, and this is our company. Yeah, the brief introduction. Okay. So why I choose to start business? A lot of my friends and even family members ask me this question. So I always told them that because I just want to try it. But in fact, in my heart, these 2 things will get me to do this. The first one is dream. Yeah, I dream it. So just like this. Sorry. I always challenge myself, and in the past few years, when I'm working in different company, I'm always seeking the opportunities to do this. And the second one is freedom. So I think it's not only the spiritual freedom, also the time freedom, fortune freedom. The freedom is very important for me. So that's why I do this, and I try to start business. So the last part is my experience sharing. So I think as an entrepreneur, I think the 3 things is very important. The first one is courage, responsibility, persist. So how about courage? You know everyone. So the entrepreneurship is a very high risk endeavor, right? So and we give up a lot of vested in interest alongside we start company. So and sometimes no one around you can stand you. Do you still have the courage to insist? That is very important. And the responsibility, you know, we just started that company last maybe May or June. We just have 4 members. Now we have 20 more people in our company. It's quite development period in the past half year. So when there's no people can help you, you will do everything that you can and you cannot, and also you will take responsibility for everything, for every decision you make. So that is responsibility, and sometimes you don't know that's right or not, and persist. I think keep alive. If we keep I think there is the opportunity, there is the hope when keep alive. So we have the time to find the right direction and right way to conquer the difficulties, to overcome it. So persist is very important. And yeah, here, I like this word. This sentence, if you can dream it, you can do it. And last, so here, I just want mentioned, first is core product value. As we said just now, we always, in the past 5 or 6 years, we only focused on the oral health every day to support healthy. So that's why develop our company to upgrade our business model. We never stop, we never change. And second, team is very important. To find the right person to be with you. And also, you need to invest in people, always. And third one is continually upgrade business model, as I said. So last one is make good use of capital. You know, for example, last year when we talk the first time we talked about the joint venture, the VC people, they told me that you asked me for the sudden money. You didn't know. You didn't not money. Okay. Sorry. So we talk a lot. We show a lot of things. How to develop our business model, and how we can find the right person to do the right thing. So I think this is very good examples for us to leverage different resources. And after the financing, so last time, the joint venture, the VC, give us a lot of resources to help us to grow. Yeah. And here, I like this sentence. So if you really want to start a company, just do it. Yeah, do it right now. Don't panic. Okay, thank you. So this is our mini program, and this is my WeChat. Okay.